Miniature Schnauzer and Digital Detox, Unplugging with your four-legged friend. In today's fast-paced world, it's becoming increasingly important to take a step back and unplug from our digital devices. Constantly being connected to our smartphones, computers, and social media can lead to stress, anxiety, and even addiction. Luckily, there's a furry friend that can help us in our quest for a digital detox, the Miniature Schnauzer. The Miniature Schnauzer, with its small size and friendly demeanor, is the perfect companion for unplugging from technology. These intelligent and playful dogs not only provide unconditional love and companionship, but also encourage us to engage in offline activities. Here's how owning a Miniature Schnauzer can help you unplug and enjoy life to the fullest. Point 1. Increased physical activity. One of the biggest advantages of having a Miniature Schnauzer is that they require regular exercise. Taking your furry friend for daily walks, playing fetch in the park, or even participating in agility training will keep both of you physically active. This not only helps you stay fit, but also distracts you from constantly reaching for your phone or laptop. Point 2. Mindfulness and presence. Miniature Schnauzers are known for their ability to live in the present moment. They don't worry about the future or dwell on the past. Instead, they focus on the here and now. By observing their behavior, you can learn to be more mindful and present in your own life. Spending time with your Schnauzer, engaging in activities like grooming or simply cuddling, forces you to be fully present and forget about your digital distractions. Point 3. Social interaction. Owning a Miniature Schnauzer can facilitate social interaction and help you form real-life connections. When you take your Schnauzer for a walk, you're likely to encounter other dog owners, creating opportunities for friendly conversations and potential friendships. Unlike digital interactions, these face-to-face encounters allow for genuine connections that can't be replicated online. Point 4. Stress relief. Studies have shown that spending time with animals can reduce stress and anxiety. The act of petting a dog releases oxytocin, a hormone associated with happiness and relaxation, and lowers cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress. When you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious, spending quality time with your Miniature Schnauzer can provide much-needed emotional support and help you unwind. Point 5. Source of entertainment. Miniature Schnauzers are known for their playful nature and love of attention. Their silly antics and entertaining behaviors will keep you entertained for hours on end. Instead of scrolling through social media or binge-watching TV shows, you can spend your free time playing fetch, teaching them tricks, or simply enjoying their company. This not only helps you unplug, but also brings joy and laughter into your life. Point 6. Unconditional love. Perhaps the most significant benefit of owning a Miniature Schnauzer is the unconditional love they provide. Coming home to a wagging tail and wet kisses can instantly uplift your mood and make you forget about the worries of the outside world. They don't judge, criticize, or demand constant attention like our digital devices do. Instead, they offer unwavering love and loyalty, reminding us of the importance of genuine connections. In conclusion, owning a Miniature Schnauzer can be the perfect antidote to our digital-driven lives. Their presence encourages us to unplug, engage in offline activities, and be more mindful of the present moment. From increasing physical activity and facilitating social interactions to providing emotional support and unconditional love, these four-legged friends have a lot to offer. So, why not take a break from technology and embark on a digital detox journey with your Miniature Schnauzer by your side? You won't regret it.